Welcome. Hi there. Great news for everyone. We have $900 of COVID-19 relief bill that was passed by both houses of Congress. This is great news for everyone. So let me give you the highlights. Folks on unemployment are going to be getting $300 of additional federal assistance, federal supplemental unemployment. This is great news. Gig workers and self-employed people, they're going to be eligible for $100 of this supplemental insurance. And then individuals, everyone that is eligible, single taxpayers making up to $75,000, or they're going to be eligible for $600 of direct payments from the government. If you filed your taxes, you're going to get that payment directed into your bank account immediately. Starting next week, again, if the president signs the bill. And then you're going to get $600 for each additional child. If you're married, filing jointly, you're getting $1,200. If you have 2 children, so that household will get $2,400, okay? Now, the big one is a second round of PPP funds. Folks are going to be able, small businesses that have been going through a lot, they're going to be able to file for apply for an additional round of PPP funds. There's a budget of up to $284 billion in the PPP bucket. Okay, what's the criteria? You have to have lost income for any quarter in 2020 in comparison to 2019. If your revenue loss was right now about 30%, that's the threshold. You're going to be eligible for a second round of PPP funds. This is great news, okay? So we really want to take advantage of that. Some other highlights from the bill, medical expenses. Previously, medical expenses, you had to incur a medical expense of up to 10% of your AGI before you could deduct any of your medical expenses. That's a lot. Folks are right now battling with COVID-19 and they have a lot of medical expenses. So that threshold has been reduced to 7.5%. If you meet that threshold, you can deduct your excess medical expenses. Take that deduction on your tax return. Another provision in the tax bill, meals from restaurants are now going to be deductible at 100% instead of the previous 50%. This is a big boost for restaurants as well as small businesses. There are some other businesses that did not qualify for the PPP funds in the first round. Some different kinds of 501c6 co-ops. Those businesses are now going to be eligible to file for the PPP funds. There's a lot of provisions, really good things going on. There's rental assistance as well for people. So those are just some of the highlights I wanted to bring to you really fast. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, send me a message, send me a direct message, and I'll be glad to clarify anything for you or give you additional information. That is it for me for this brief update. Okay, I will see you next time. Cheers.